Infowiz. Empowering professionals across India. Pioneers and industrial training. Infowiz offers a wide range of professional courses for working professionals to enhance their skills and in turn, increase their employability. Some of the most popular courses at Infowiz include PHP training, Java training, mobile applications, ASP.NET, programming with C and C++, digital marketing, robotics, automation, MATLAB. Courses by Infowiz span the following academic streams: IT, Computer Application, BCA, MCA, Engineering, Computer Science, Electrical, Civil, Mechanical, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Casha, NXCAM, CNC Programming, Civil, AutoCAD, STAAD Pro, 3ds Max, Revit Architecture, Business Administration, BBA, MBA. Apart from covering these streams, Infowiz also provides industrial training courses for latest technologies. Some of them are Artificial Intelligence, Python, Machine Learning, Virtual Reality, Internet of Things, Data Science, Data Mining, Big Data, Cybersecurity, Chatbot, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services. Diploma courses offered by Infowiz include Diploma in Web Engineering, Diploma in IT Track and Networking, Diploma in Programming, Diploma in Digital Marketing, with a plethora of professional courses to offer. Infowiz aims at creating a skilled India.